Hi, it's Mary Kay from Cocoa Daisy, and I want to show you my May tulip time setup. It's technically not my setup because I'm using Up and Away again for my birthday month in May, and so I did a giveaway on our Cocoa Daisy fan page Facebook group for a complete setup the way that I normally do it, sent to the winner, and Missy won. And I got some information from her about how she wanted to use it, and then I set it up pretty much the way I always do. So this is B6 rings, and I put it in my binder so you can see what it'll look like. But I used, one of the things I love about rings is the ability to just use the acetate as is, as kind of a divider. You can put a tab on it or not. I did something I haven't done before, but I'm going to do for my own setups from now on. I printed a blank month on 2 pages printable. I'll put the link down below for where I got it, but I just was looking for something simple and plain and pretty similar to how our monthly setups are in the ring pages, the A5 and the personal rings. So then I decorated that obviously with the date stickers, and then the die cuts and stickers. Butterflies are making me so happy this month. And then I put a tab on it for May as well. These stickers are from the planner sticker that come in the planner kit. And then honestly, I couldn't tell you where all this stuff is from because I combined the planner kit, the planner add-on, and the classified planner edition. But the die cuts are all from, I think, the planner kit. Then we start, so what I did was, as you may know, we don't have B6 ring pages, so I cut up a B6 dory, a daisy dory. So we have booklets like this, and I just cut it down the spine, took the staples out and cut it down the spine and punched it for the B6 rings. And that's what I do for my own setup as well. So, oh, and then on the back, on the other sides of the printable, the monthly printable, this is our free planner printable that I printed and cut and pasted on the back. So it's 2 pieces of paper together. All right, so into the dory itself, I haven't filled in a lot of this. I don't know how she'll want to use it. I asked if she wanted vertical or horizontal, so she went with the vertical layout. And so for that you have, well, I'll show you on the next page. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday takes up the space. I went ahead and did this like I normally do it. I decorate the bottom block because I use this part for schedule and this part for to do. And I used some stickers that a friend of mine made me to match the kit. They are adorable. This stamp was in the 12 by 12 limited edition Amy Tangerine kit last month. It was one of the stamps in the Amy Tangerine set that we got, and I just love those. I did something different than I usually do. I told Missy I was going to set it up the way I always do, but I didn't because I decided to do because I had so many sticker choices from the stickers that my friend made me, I decided to do the date and day different in every page. So these are stickers as well that my friend made. These are also from my friend. These are stamps. So I didn't have any numbers I wanted to use in combination with these stickers, so I stamped that week. And then these again, my friend made the dots and the days. Let's see, let's go back. Oh, so this one I decorated just with stickers. This one is washi. This is packaging from, I believe, from the June kit last year. You'll see a number of things in here from that kit because it just goes so beautifully with this kit. It was Mediterranean tiles and lemons, and a lot of it just goes really well. So this is a piece of packaging, so it's thicker than just cardstock. These are from the add-on kit. The little number dots from my friend. All right, and then, oh, and this die cut was, I think, in the planner kit as well. Then I asked her what she wanted to do with the second weekly, and she said she'd use it for daily tracking. This is the vellum that came in the classified kit. Oh, the acetate was also in the classified kit. I didn't say that before. The vellum came in the classified kit. Again, I just cut it and punched it so she can put a tab on it or use it however she wants. You can put a top tab on it and cut slits. I sometimes do this. cut slits where the rings are, and then you can take it in and out and use it as a page marker. That actually works even better with acetate. The vellum might get kind of messed up by that, but you can do that really well with acetate. All right, so now I'm in the second weekly section. Again, using some of the add-on stickers, and these are from the add-on as well. And I just went ahead, all the numbers in this section are from those that one sheet from the add-on. But then I did the days different, each of these too. I don't know, it just really made me happy to change it up. These are from the add-on, as are these. And then, so that's the end of the Daisy Dory. Then I asked what section she might want, and so I labeled these accordingly. This is the note card from the planner add-on, I believe, and decorated with some stickers as well. And then, because I didn't want to show the back, it was too busy, I felt, the back of that paper, I just backed it with some yellow cardstock that I had, and framed this is another note card from the add-on that I framed with blue cardstock. This paper is from June of last year, and this is fussy cut from the printables. It's actually the top of the A5 page in the printables, so I just fussy cut it and flipped it over for this divider. It's just a little place to keep some notes, sticky notes. This is another one, I believe, from the June kit. I didn't have as much paper as I usually do this month, so I kind of went looking elsewhere for some options, and then the die cuts and stickers. And this is also from the June kit. That's what the back of that one looks like. This is from this kit. This is a pocket folder. I believe that this is from this is from June, but this yellow paper I just really loved. I make my pockets. There's actually a couple of videos on my channel about doing it, but the way I made these was just to fold the paper. The planner paper comes folded already. Fold it, cut it to 5 by 7, and then use a different piece of paper. Cut it into two, I believe this 4.5 inch pieces, and then face them into each other. Let's see if I have anything I can show you. Yeah, so this is the paper I used. So you cut it in half and then face them like this and cut the I don't know, angle, however you want it. I just happen to really like them angled. So that's one way to make a pocket. Here's another one that I made differently. This one actually I used last June. So I pulled off the tag that said June and I put a new one in that said May. But I just thought it went really well. The colors of this just go really well with this kit. This one is two separate pieces of paper. Forgive the riot of patterns. Two separate pieces of paper, just taped down the middle. So it's not as sturdy as the other options, but especially on rings. Oh, see, it's already coming apart. I'll retape that before I send it to Missy. But on rings, it doesn't matter nearly as much if it does come apart as it would on strings. So that's another option. I actually am more likely these days to do it differently, to cut a piece of paper. So to cut 1 to 5 by 7, but then leave an extra, however much this is. Let's see, how much is it? I have a ruler. Sorry, I have to hold that so I can see the numbers. Sorry, that was the centimeters. So this is 6 inches wide. So you'd only get 1 inch. If you cut this to 5 inches this way, you get 1 inch. I leave that, I score it, and then I take the other piece that's already cut 5 by 7, and I overlap it like that. Then I fold it, and that just makes the whole thing sturdier. That way the gutter is paper and not, not tape. And you can also use washi tape. I just don't tend to do that. I might do it this time though, put washi tape down the middle. So that is the setup that I am sending on Monday to Missy. Thanks.